students. In our last class, we studied about sexual reproduction. So today is our day 4, video 2, and for class 12th. Today we will study about pre-fertilization events. Pre-fertilization event is the very first event of sexual reproduction, which involves two sub-events. One is the gametogenesis and the second is the gamete transfer. So today, first of all, we will consider gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. Gametes are generally haploid structures which bear single set of chromosomes, and single set of chromosome bearing structures are symbolized by small letter n. That means the gametes are bearing haploid number of chromosomes, that means single set of chromosomes. Next, the gametes condition. In different organisms, gametes are appearing in different forms. Two forms are generally considered. One is the homogametes or isogametes. Homo means same. If in an organism, gametes which are produced, they are having same morphology or structure, that condition is known as homogametes or isogametes. Secondly, if the two gametes which are produced by an organism, if they are having two different types of gametes are having different morphology and different structure, that particular category of gametes is known as heterogametes. Then in case of heterogametes, there are two types of gametes are produced. One could be male and the other one could be female. In case of male gametes, in case of plants, we can call them as androzoid. In case of animals, we consider sperm. And if we talk about female gamete, in case of plants, we are having egg as female gamete, and in case of humans, we are having ovum. So this is all about what? The gametes condition if they are present in different organisms. Next is the sexuality. Sexuality means on the basis of sexuality, we categorize organisms into two types. One is called as unisexual and the other one are called as bisexual. Unisexual organisms are those in which a single body contains single sexual organs. And in case of bisexual, single organism body bears both the kinds of sex organs in their body. So in case of plants as well as in animals, we consider different terms. Unisexual and bisexual we generally use for animals, but in case of plant, we consider heterothallic or homothallic. The term here thallic is used for a thalloid body organization, means their plant body is not differentiated. Fine. So here we are having heterothallic and homothallic. If their organs are two types of sexual organs, male sex organ and female sex organs, if they are present in different organisms, that condition in plant is known as heterothallic, that means unisexual. If both the reproductive organs are present in single organism, that condition is known as homothallic. Some other terms are also there. For bisexual, we also consider monoecious, and for unisexual, we consider dioecious. So in case of dioecious plants, we have two separate plants having, one is having male sexual organs, the other one will be having female sexual organs. The male sexual organs, in case of male sexual organ, the male part is known as stamen. That particular plant will be considered as staminate. And the plant which is having pistil, the female reproductive part in them, that plant will be considered as pistillate. So here these are the symbols. That is the symbol for male and this is the symbol for female. So we have certain examples you have to follow in 12th class NCERT for your board examinations. So in case of dioecious plants, we are having papaya and date palm. In case of monoecious, cucurbits and coconut. Next term, the cell division. Which kind of cell division helps in the formation of gametes? If the organism is haploid, means if they are having single set of chromosome, then they need to maintain their chromosome from one generation to the other. In that case, organisms will undergo mitosis kind of cell division. Mitosis is also considered as equational division. It means to maintain the chromosome number in parents as well as in organism. That means same number of organisms. मतलब यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के जो क्रोमोसोम नंबर है वो कांस्टेंट रहते हैं, जितने पेरेंट्स के पास है उतने ही उनके प्रोजनी के पास एज इट इज, या उनके गैमीट फॉर्मेशन गैमीट्स के पास उतने ही मिलेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज इन केस ऑफ डिप्लॉयड ऑर्गेनिज्म। डिप्लॉयड ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर दोज which carry two sets of chromosome. In that case, organism will follow meiosis division to form their gametes. Meiosis is a kind of reductional division in which whatever the chromosome number the diploid organism have, after meiosis the gamete will receive half number of chromosomes. The diploid condition is generally present in humans and in higher plants like in bryophytes or pteridophytes. Before that we are having in case of haploid condition. वैसे तो haploid में आपके algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes भी आते हैं, लेकिन जो bryophytes और pteridophytes हैं वो variations develop करने के लिए unfavorable condition में they reproduce through meiosis, ठीक है, ताकि उनमें variations आए। और variation सबसे important एबिलिटी है सेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की किसी भी एरिया में सर्वाइव करने के लिए या अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन में सर्वाइव करने के लिए। तो जितने भी डिप्लॉयड ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं उनके पास कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड सेल्स होते हैं जो स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइंड हैं फॉर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमीट्स। सच स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नोन एज मियोसाइट्स, या उन्हें हम कहते हैं गैमीट मदर सेल। सो वंस द गैमीट्स आर फॉर्म्ड, they are meant to transfer from one body to the other. So here in pre-fertilization event, let's revise this part. Gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. Gametes are generally haploid in nature, bears single set of chromosome. Then the gametes condition, if the organism is producing similar types of gametes, means they are having similar morphology and structure, that condition is known as homo or isogametes. If the organism is producing two different types of gametes, that means their morphology and structure are different, such type of gametes are called as heterogametes. So we are having same different names for male as well as female gametes. Next is the sexuality. In case of sexuality, organisms on the basis of whether they are carrying one sexual organ or two sexual organs in their body, they are categorized into unisexual और bisexual organisms. तो unisexual के लिए हम जो terms use करते हैं that will be heterothallic, dioecious. In case of bisexual we are using monothallic या homothallic or monoecious. And what kind of cell divisions will occur? If the organism is haploid, they will follow mitosis kind of cell division to form their gametes, and if they are diploid organisms, they will follow meiosis division. And in case of diploid organisms, we are having specialized cells only for the formation of gametes, and we call them meiocytes or gamete mother cell. In my next video, today itself, I will explain you about the gamete transfer. Thank you.